Good evening. First of all, I wish each and everyone a happy 2021 New Year. Okay, today's topic it's all about me. Some open words from my heart towards my YouTube friends. When I come before you with all these topics, how many of you know that I have a lot of pains? You know, that is one thing that is I don't get any proper support. You just know, right? I just get only 100 or 200 or 300 plus views, not like other YouTubers. When you are running a YouTube channel, certain people would earn money, but I just don't earn money from YouTube because I need to get all this thousand subscribers and all these things, etc. So basically, I'm not earning anything. I can be quitting long back. I need not require all this 190 plus topic before you, but there are good persons in my YouTube world, and that's the reason behind I just do all these videos back to back on each week. People just poke me. Lot of people, many people from my relation, many friends. I just thought who just they would support. They never supported me. There are relations who just I just thought that they would share my videos. They didn't share. You know Everything is limited. There are good people, there are good family members, there are good relations, but out of 100%, 70% people they just don't support me at all. And facing all this negativity, facing all this negative pressure, everything, I just take it on because to stand in this YouTube channel it's not easy because spontaneous support must be needed, but I don't get all these things. And that's the reason behind I just thought to tell it out because people just tell me that why don't you stop all these things and move away. Why I need to stop when there are few people for me to see all these YouTube videos. And that's the reason behind I just thought to share that. I just do it because I wish to take away my depression from my life. There would be person who have a lot of friends in their life, but according to me my friend is myself. And that's the reason behind each topic I just make you all to think. When time comes other people would see it. I'm damn sure about it. And many people would tell me about to do in all this national languages, but I just begin with English. The reason behind is that one day or the other, I'm sure that the world people would witness all these things. It may be any day, any moment. It's not in our hand, and it's not easy to do videos from this side. You must understand all these technical things and all these things, and you guys, you just tell that you can't do anything, and you just post all these negative things, and you just move away. you know I'm setting you as an example. All these normal people with normal camera, you can do any videos and you can post it on. The right persons would watch your videos and they would comment you. Don't worry about all these negative people. They would bark just like a dog. Just 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 leave them away. I don't have any words to talk with because I've been faced with all these difficulties. Two more videos to cross my double century. There is lot of double dhamaka coming on from this three topic from now 199, 200, 201, 202. That these four topics would be like just mind blowing things before this world. You know, this is my small life. I don't have any biggest richest life in my present world. Maybe in future it might happen. So I just thought to make people happy by posting all this positive videos. If you wish, please do support me. If not, ignore me. I don't care. When I just see the subscribers, I have just only 462 or just like subscribers. I just see that people just unsubscribe me. I don't know why people just do it. One part of thing is that I just move away from all these feelings, but I just used to think how people have the heart to remove all these things, right? See, when something good is done to the society, people don't support. But when people does all this nonsense, people just post likes, etc. All this glamorous world, all these things, people just move away. And for all these things, people just comment and people just push them up, and it's just nonsense. I don't wish even that to, at least to reach many people, that this world will never allow me to do. I hope this thing would change for sure. People must think about all these things because there are a lot of YouTubers who just don't have all the support. It's not about alone me. There are a lot of YouTubers who don't get support from all right persons. It happens. It's just like that. There is no time for all these good people. That's the world situation. And I just take it in that positive note and just move on with different topics. There are a lot of topics to be reached in this world, so let's see how you would support me. And with that thought, I'm ending this video. Hope I didn't bore you with all this 198 topics. If you wish to see all this 198 topics, you would know the growth of my channel. Please don't poke me out by without knowing the topics. Poke me only if you know me fully. Okay, so take care.